Hey everyone, so I know this lighting is terrible, but it is literally like midnight now. This video is basically our day to day. We went to Raystede Summer Fair. Raystede is the animal welfare centre where we adopted Winston, and every year they have a summer fair. They have multiple fairs throughout the year, but that's not important. I am going to make another video at some point about the whole kind of process that I went through to adopt both Winston and Nova in a separate video. Now I'm going to quickly show you what Winston looks like currently, because I realised that they've not actually been in the videos that much other than on the walk. My room is a complete mess because there's two adults living in here with two dogs. And yeah, let's go have a look at Winston. Hey sweetheart. Are you my baby boy? He's so tired. He's not left this bed since. Have you? And here is Nova. It's very difficult to focus on her because she is such a dark colour. And look at all this fluff on the floor. I literally hoover every day. Are you wagging your tail, missus? Are you wagging your tail? She's laid in front of our little tower fan. But because I was filming, I turned it off for a second. So I'll turn it back on now for you. day now. It's probably, what's the time? It's 5 o'clock. I just got back from work at about 4 and I've spent the last hour just chilling with the doggies and kind of editing this video. It's not that great because, you know, I've never really done it before. I'm just giving it a go. It's basically, you can see in this short clip that I've made, you know, it's all sped up because everything takes so long and I don't want to have a really long video. But it's just a short bit of what we did on, like, our day. I couldn't film much because of my anxiety was quite bad, but there was loads of stalls about, you know, we tried to do a little bit of agility with Winston, but I think he was too hot. I ended up doing most of it. You can see a clip there where there's some dogs walking through. That's when we were in the ring for a dog competition. We didn't win, but however, because we were part of the Raystede rehomed dogs parade and everything, we ended up getting a little goodie bag, which didn't actually have any goodies in there for dogs, strangely enough. It was just like a pen, fridge magnet, stuff like that. Some shortbread biscuits, which were delicious, strawberries and cream flavour, but they weren't for dogs. So, but I don't mind having a treat, you know. It was a hard day. Anyway, I'm just gonna finish editing now, and hopefully you guys like this video. I'm trying to get some more done, but obviously it's very difficult because I don't really do much, and I don't want to bore you all with this side of me just chilling out in bed. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.